along with other B vitamins and folic acid. 6. Brain activity and potential health advantages. Low vitamin B12 levels have been linked to a reduction in brain function. Yet, the outcomes have been inconsistent, and vitamin B12 supplementation proved ineffective in enhancing brain function in persons with normal brain function. 2 recent reviews discovered a possible link between low blood levels and the development of dementia. Low vitamin D levels in the blood have been related to a variety of health issues. Because vitamin B12 plays such important roles in your body, at vitamin B12 injections, are they safe? Or prepare to be safe. 1. Based on evidence, vitamin supplements are used. People feel they will serve as a safety net, ensuring proper nutrient consumption. These are said to improve energy levels, brain function, and weight loss, to mention a few benefits. Vitamin B12 supplementation is especially frequent because insufficiency is widespread. This article discusses B12 injections and if you should consider them. In reality, many people receive vitamin B12 injections every month. 2. Many people suffer from deficiencies. This is because B12 is only produced in animal diets. Vegans and vegetarians, but, are not the only ones who are deficient. Even some meat eaters have difficulty absorbing it. The daily required amount of vitamin B12 is 6 micrograms. It is estimated that up to 90% of persons who follow these diets are deficient. Deficiency is prevalent, particularly with vegetarian and vegan diets. Unlike other vitamins, vitamin B12 absorption is dependent on a protein made in your stomach called intrinsic factor. People who do not make enough intrinsic factors may suffer from a deficiency. Intrinsic factor binds to vitamin B12, allowing it to be absorbed into the bloodstream. Because the ability to absorb vitamin B12 decreases with age, deficiency is more common in the elderly. Those suffering from gut disorders such as Crohn's or celiac disease are also at risk. Vegans and vegetarians, who get little to no B12 from their diet, are most at risk of vitamin B12 deficiency. Those who have had intestinal surgery, including weight loss surgery, are at risk of insufficiency. Inadequate absorption might also lead to deficiency. 3. What is vitamin B12? And effective when injected. Need for brain function as well as the creation of DNA and red blood cells. Vitamin B12, known as cobalamin, is a water-soluble vitamin. Vitamin B12 is a water-soluble vitamin that is essential for brain function and the synthesis of red blood cells. Vitamin B12 can occur in a variety of chemical forms, but they all contain the mineral cobalt. Because the vitamin can be retained in the liver for a long time, a deficiency may emerge after a few years. Vitamin B12 injections are the most popular method of preventing or treating a deficit. A doctor prescribes the injections, which are administered, or into the muscle. Untreated vitamin B12 deficiency can result in neurological issues or pernicious anemia, which occurs when your body does not generate enough red blood cells. These are quite effective at increasing blood B12 levels and reversing a deficit. If you are lacking in vitamin B12, the injections can raise your blood levels. Injections are often given in the form of hydroxycobalamin or cyanocobalamin. 4. Some excellent sources of vitamin B12 include. Yet, some doctors continue to prefer injections. Vitamin B12 is abundant in many animal diets. Oral supplements have also been demonstrated to increase blood levels. There is growing evidence that oral B12 supplements are as effective as injections in raising blood levels in the majority of people. Vegetarians and vegans are advised to take at least 10 mcg each day, or 2 mcg once a week. Some people may struggle to meet their vitamin B12 requirements. This is especially true for those who adopt a vegetarian or vegan diet. In these cases, it is advised to complement your diet with either a B12 shot or an oral supplement. 5. Osteoporosis. Low vitamin B12 levels in the blood have been associated with decreased bone mass. As a result, it has been proposed that consuming vitamin B12 may lower your risk of osteoporosis. But, investigations have yielded conflicting results. Osteoporosis is a condition that causes bone mass loss, resulting in weaker bones and an increased risk of bone fractures. Adequate vitamin B12 consumption is regarded to be vital for keeping excellent vision and preventing macular degeneration in adults aged 50 and up. Age-related macular degeneration is a disorder that causes progressive loss of central vision in both eyes. 7 years later, the study discovered that women who took the supplements had a 35% decreased incidence of age-related macular degeneration. Although the risk reduction cannot be attributed only to vitamin B12, it does show that having enough may be significant. In one large trial, 5,500 women were given 2 micrograms of vitamin B12 each day, along with other B vitamins and folic acid. 6. Brain activity and potential health advantages. Low vitamin B12 levels have been linked to a reduction in brain function. Yet, the outcomes have been inconsistent, and vitamin B12 supplementation proved ineffective in enhancing brain function in persons with normal brain function. 2 recent reviews discovered a possible link between low blood levels and the development of dementia. Low vitamin D levels in the blood have been related to a variety of health issues. Because vitamin B12 plays such important roles in your body, a deficiency can have major health repercussions. 7. Side effects and extra claims. Vitamin B12 injections and infusions have recently become popular among healthy persons who do not appear to be deficient. Yet, there is little to no evidence to back up these assertions. Getting adequate vitamin B12 is vital for brain function as well as mental, bone, and eye health. If you don't have a deficiency, injections are pointless. Regular injections, according to proponents, can raise energy levels, aid in weight loss, and improve mood. Yet, in rare circumstances, some people may develop adverse consequences as a result of allergic responses or sensitivities. Consult your doctor if you develop any negative effects. Vitamin B12 injections are regarded as safe. They have no significant side effects. Injections of vitamin B12 are quite safe. The injections may induce allergic reactions in rare circumstances. 8. Depression and questions when injecting. It has been proposed that a link exists between low vitamin B12 levels and depression. There is currently a scarcity of high-quality research in this field. More research is needed to determine whether there is a link between vitamin B12 and depression. Nonetheless, it has been proposed that taking the vitamin on a long-term basis may help prevent a return to depression. Yet, one study discovered that supplementing with vitamin B12 did not improve the severity of symptoms. For the majority of persons, dietary sources are enough. People who are in danger of deficiency, but will almost need to take supplements. It is unlikely that you will need to take more B12 if you eat a well-balanced diet that contains foods high in vitamin B12. According to some experts, frequent injections should only be used as a last resort if supplements do not work or if deficiency symptoms are severe. Oral supplements may be as helpful as injections in these circumstances for many people. Summary: our experts examine the health and wellness field, and we update our articles as new information becomes available. I hope the above knowledge will be of some help to you, your friends and family. Wishing you and your family good health with loved ones and friends. Thank you for watching the video. If you find this video useful, please like and share to help more people know. Any questions, please leave a comment below the video. Please click subscribe and press the notification bell to support me. Lolo.